Your lesson essential question is, how does understanding what characters are saying, thinking, and feeling help us show their point of view? So you're going to be identifying characters' points of view by looking at their words, what they're saying, their thoughts, what they're thinking, and their feelings, how they're feeling. You learned before that characters' point of view is their way of thinking or looking at something. It's how they feel about certain other characters or events happening in the story. So, like we said, a character's point of view is how they think or feel about something. To start, we're going to identify who the characters are in the story. Then we'll start paying attention to what they're saying, thinking, and feeling about the other characters or events that are happening. We'll look at their thoughts, their words, and their feelings, and we'll identify their points of view. In the end, we'll speak or write about each character's point of view by using specific details from the story. You really want to ask yourself, do characters have the same feelings or different feelings? So again, we're looking at those characters' thoughts, their feelings, and their words to identify their point of view. Let's read the beginning of Soccer Friends and identify Kelly's point of view about soccer. Kelly couldn't wait until soccer season began. She could not be patient because she just loved racing to get the ball. She would use her imagination to picture the ball and then she would fly towards it. Kelly practiced at home during the calm, peaceful mornings. At the first team practice, Kelly greeted her friends. She liked to chat and interact with them. Then she saw a new girl. "That's Selena. She's a really fast runner," reported Kelly's friend Tara. Let's look at Kelly's thoughts, feelings, and words at the beginning of the story. I see that she could not be patient. I also see that she loves racing to get the ball. She uses her imagination to picture the ball. She flies towards it. I also read that she practices. And when she gets to her first practice, she greets her friends. She likes chatting and interacting with her friends when she's at soccer. So looking at these thoughts and actions and feelings and words, you are going to be identifying how Kelly feels about soccer.